Hi parents, hi kids, Madam Shah here from EduReach, and today we are exploring a typical P3 or P4 question. So this question is when you need to draw a table. Mind you, when you are in P5 and P6, there are different methods to actually do this type of questions. But at P3, P4 level, we are only expecting you to draw a table. So how does the table look like? Now, before that happens, let's look at this, okay? So we're saying that there is 22 cars. Oops. Yep. Let's see now. So there are 22 cars and bicycle. Okay? And bicycle. But there are 64 tires. So how many cars are there? Aha! So how are we going to do this? Now look. The question just now, there's 22 cars and bicycles. And there are 64 tires. So shall we try? Okay, we shall. Okay, so now let's look at this. We are gonna look. Okay, let's say now. So we know there has to be 22. Let's say I always like to do half. Okay, so let's say I put 11 cars and 11 bicycles. So cars, there's 11 cars, so there will be 44 tires here. 11 bicycles will be 22 tires here, right? So vehicle quantity 11 plus 11, that is 22. What about the, oh, not types, this is tires, right? Tires quantity. So how many is the tires quantity? 44 plus 22, this is 66. So is this correct? No. You know why? Because it's supposed to be only 64 tires. So we know we need to bring this number down. So which one you think is lesser? Lesser bicycle or lesser cars? Let's try lesser bicycle, because I'm trying to teach you a concept here. So if there's 10 bicycles here, which means there must be 12 tires here, 12 cars here. So 12 times 4 is 48, and 10 times 2 is 20. And suddenly the quantity, 12 plus 10 is still correct, is 22. But is the number of tires correct? No, it's 68. So what does that tell you? It tells you when we increase the number of cars and yet we decrease the number of bicycles, the tires get more because cars have more tires. So which means that the answer, most probably, but let's prove it first, because we're going to prove based on the number of cars. Let's say now we use 10 as the number of cars, and then we use 12 as the number of bicycles. So if there's 10 cars, that's 40 tires. And if there is 12 bicycles, there are 24 tires. So let's say the quantity 10 plus 12 is still 22. And then what about the tires? 40 plus 24? Yes, it's 64. So this is the correct answer. So got it? So when you need to go slow here. See, just now I did half because that was the easiest for us. You know? And then you go a bit lower or higher based on this, but always remember the number of vehicles needs to be correct, the number of tires needs to be correct. So this is what we call using a table. Like I mentioned, such questions and the numbers can be bigger, that can appear at P5 or P6, and then we use a different method. We straight away will get the answers. So stay tuned and I will share about that one fine day, okay? So kids, thank you for watching, and parents too.